Well, winter is coming and there's a few things we need to get done before the snow arrives. This is one of them. I'd like to get this saw head inside the workshop because it's been staying out for about 3 years now and it's not good, starting to rust. And there's some electronics here too that don't really need to stay out in the weather if it doesn't have to. It's going to be a few months until I need this, and for that period might as well put it inside. And here's another thing that I should clean up. Just some old logs. This one was intended for the sawmill, but it's so full of dirt and gravel that it's just going to destroy my blades. It's not worth it really. This entire heap here is probably just going to become firewood, to be honest with you. There's a few logs here that I'd like to put on the sawmill. That birch, and I don't know what that is. Got to put this trailer elsewhere because I push snow off of the edge here during winter time, so I'd like to clear all of this. So I'm thinking we'll put the saw head inside of here, since it's going to be stored for a couple of months anyway. I don't need to bring it in and out all the time. But in order to do that, we'll obviously have to move the timber trailer, which shouldn't be too much of an issue. So let's go ahead and do that. That's good. Yeah, that's fine. Get these things out of the way. Put them here. There's another thing though. This tire here keeps getting flat. A while back I drove the timber trailer out without refilling the tire and it popped off the rim. So I'm not going to do that again. Alright, that's probably fine. Actually, the other tyres are around 25 to 30 psi, so I'm just going to do the same for this one. Alright, let's get this thing out of here now. I'm going to use the timber trailer to clean up this stuff. So I'll just leave it here for now. All right, let's get the saw head inside. Yeah, that's not going to be... I think that's going to be long enough. Maybe if I have... Maybe with two of them. This one maybe. Oh no, it's got a tear. I'm not too worried about this. It doesn't weigh anything. I think these two are about as long, so let's see. I'm just going to put it in the front loader. Alright, let's give it a go. The green one is longer. Well, there's no turning back now. I may have miscalculated. Yeah. I thought that these wheels were protruding past this frame here, so that I could just roll the entire saw head on these wheels. But I can't. I guess we could try to re-hook this so that I get the front end loader a bit closer to the saw head, and then I can just drive it in, at least a bit further. Yeah, I think this is going to work. I'll lift it up and we can drive it as far as possible. Well, it's still a bit crooked, but at least I can have the front end loader a bit lower. All right, now we just need to get this in there. I should have had like a trolley or something that I could have put this on. But I think that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Obviously, I'd like to make a couple of trolleys for this, so that next time this will be a lot easier. I can just wheel it around where I want it. But yeah, at least it's inside. Well, we got that done. I like to have my equipment inside whenever possible, so this was long overdue. You can stay here until springtime when I'm going to start sawing again. Unfortunately, it gets dark quite fast here in Norway at this time of year. I have a lot of videos planned for this channel in the future. We're going to do some forestry and logging. We're going to get some firewood. There's a few things we got to fix on the MF. We got to winter prepare the farm, which is what I'm doing right now in this video. We got to get stuff inside and we got to clean up the outside. But anyway, that's all I have for you today, unfortunately. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.